The riparian scrub habitat is a prime location for several species interactions due to its proximity to water. Many species have adapted to live and thrive in this habitat, such as the cinnamon wasp, coast live oak tree, and cockleburrow plant. The cinnamon wasps, Androcus californicus, commonly referred to as gall wasps, deposit their eggs on coast live oak trees, resulting in a stimulation of plant tissue growth, creating protection for the larvae to develop. The cinnamon wasp-oak tree interaction takes place when a female wasp lays eggs on a tree. After the eggs are deposited, a chemical from the wasp is used as a stimulant to promote plant growth hormones, and the tree produces sap that encompasses the wasp egg. When the sap solidifies, it forms hard, spherical growths called galls. The formation of the gall is intended to protect and provide nutrients to the larvae as it matures into an adult wasp. The larvae will reside in the gall until they reach maturity, which is typically a 2-year process. When the wasps have matured, they will navigate their way out, leaving behind small holes. It is common to find more than one gall on a tree. Certain species of wasps can produce many generations of galls, meaning that a wasp may deposit eggs several times in 1 year. The presence of gall wasps and the formation of galls is not necessarily harmful to the inhabited species. However, they can cause some abnormalities to the tree, such as discoloration or strange markings. Like the gall wasps and oak trees, the native cockleburrow plant has a symbiotic relationship with animals in the riparian scrub habitat. The plant has 2 different types of flowers, one that produces pollen and another that forms in clusters which contain seeds. The cluster is spiky, allowing it to stick to animals as they brush up against the plant. As the animals travel, the cluster dries out and the seeds drop, allowing the plant to spread its seeds to places away from the original plant. The interactions between gall wasps and oak trees and cockleburrows and animals are signs of good environmental health, whereas the presence and effects of urban runoff are detrimental to the health of the environment. Major pollutants from urban runoff are organic compounds such as fertilizers, pesticides, and detergents that contain phosphates and other nutrients. Excess organic compounds in bodies of water results in increased algae blooms. This is called eutrophication. When the algae naturally dies, oxygen is consumed by the dead organisms, creating a state of hypoxia. Without enough oxygen, other organisms in the water, such as plants and fish, die.